Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Anchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were on exercise 7.1 and the topic that we were doing that was factors. Okay. So in the last session we were doing question number 11, that is true false, and we have already done up to the sixth one, and now we are left with the only one, the last true false, okay, of question number 11. So first of all, I am just going to write down the topic here, and all of you by the time, please open your books and the notebooks as well. Okay, the topic is chapter number 7, that is factors and multiples, and we were on exercise 7.1. Okay. चलिए, so we have already done up to the F part of question number 11. Now we are left with the G1. Question number 11 का जो G है, okay, so question number 11 is a true false. So that we were doing. Okay, that was true false, and we are left with the last one, the G1. The G is 2 is a factor of 12, but 2 is not a divisor of 12. क्या है? 2 is a factor of 12, comma, then not comma is there, it is but 2 is not a divisor of 12. वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि जो 2 है वो 12 का फैक्टर है. So 2 is the factor of 12. Yes, 2 can divide 12 completely. 2 6 are 12. So that means 2 is the factor of 12, but 2 is not a divisor. तो बट 2 है जो 12 का डिवाइजर नहीं है. देखिए हेयर इट इज़ द डिवाइजर ओनली ना. तो 2 इज़ द डिवाइजर हेयर, 12 इज़ द डिविडेंड, 6 इज़ द कोएफिशिएंट एंड रिमाइंडर इज़ नथिंग. सो दैट मीन्स 2 इज़ द डिवाइजर एज वेल एज. देखिए जब उसका फैक्टर वो तभी होगा जब वो उसका डिवाइजर होगा. सो अनलेस एंड अनटिल इट इज़ नॉट द डिवाइजर, हाउ कैन इट बी अ फैक्टर of the given number? So this statement is completely false. So 2 is the factor as well as the divisor both. Okay, so 2 is the factor of 12 and it is the divisor of 12 as well. So वो दोनों में वो factor भी है और divisor भी है. So this statement is completely false. So 2 is the factor of 12 but 2 is not a divisor of 12. That is false. Clear? चलिए. Moving next to the question number 12. Let's move to the question number 12 now. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 में क्या दिया है. राजू हैज़ अ कलेक्शन ऑफ 18 स्टेम्स. He wants to paste them in his albums. In how many different rows, having same number of stems, he can do that. तो कहते हैं राजू के पास 18 स्टेम्प्स है. ओके, एंड अब वो उन स्टेम्प्स को एक एल्बम में पेस्ट करना चाहता है. सो राजू हैज़ 18 स्टेम्प्स एंड ही वांट्स टू पेस्ट देम इन एन एल्बम. इन हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट रोज हैविंग सेम नंबर ऑफ स्टेम्प्स कैन ही डू. सो ओके, नाउ हमें क्या बताना है कि वो कितने एक मतलब जो एल्बम उसको बनानी है उसमें वो उस स्टम्प से कितनी रोज बनाए, कितनी तरह की रोज बना सकता है, so that हर रो में same number of stamps हो. So that means okay, so he is having this album and he wants to paste the 18 stamps. तो चाहे तो वो रो में निकालने के लिए he can paste all those 18 stamps one by one करके भी वो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So देखिए he can paste all those just a minute. Okay, so that means he's having 18 stamps. उसके पास कितनी stamps हैं? He is having 18 stamps and he wants to paste all those 18 stamps in such a way कि हर रो में equal number of stamps है. तो चाहे तो वो हर रो में एक एक लगाए. So this is how he can say the stamp. और he can paste two stamps. तो देखिए 1 2 3 sorry like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. तो उसने कितनी रोज बनाई? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. सो यहाँ पे उसको 18 रोज बनानी पड़ी एंड हेयर ही हैव टू मेक 9 rows. Okay, he can make the rows of 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So how many rows he had to make? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So कितनी rows बनानी पड़ी? 6. Okay, or he can simply paste all these stems like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. तो चाहे तो वो 2 रोज बना सकता है और हर रो में वो के कितने स्टेम्स रख सकता है? 9. ओके, सो दीज आर द. इसके अलावा और भी बना सकता है. सो दैट मीन्स ही कैन मेक द रो ऑफ 1 की रो बनाए 18 स्टेम रख सकता है. Then he can make the rows of 2 and then he can easily make 9 rows. अगर हर रो में 2 होंगे, he can make the rows with 3 stamps के साथ रो बना सकता है and he can have to make 6 rows. तो वैसे ही अब हमें ये बताना है. अब देखो हम इसको ऐसे तो शो नहीं कर सकते. So that means this is the question that how many rows he can make, how many different rows, और कितनी तरह के अलग अलग rows वो बना सकता है, so that he can put all those 18 stems in such a way कि हर रो में same number of stems. So देखिए, for getting the same number of rows, same number of stems in each rows, we have to calculate that how many different types of rows he can make. So for that what we will do, we will find the factor. देखिए factor आ जाएगा तो that means वो पूरा उसे divisible है. Factor means the number that completely divides the given number. So अगर हमें पता चल जाएंगे उसके factors कौन कौन से हैं, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली 1 is a factor, तो 1 की एक रो बन गई. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स. ओके, आंसर नंबर 18, सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. सो फॉर दैट टोटल स्टेम्स, how many total stamps he can make? He is having, that is total stamps he is having is equal to 18. Okay, number of different rows. Okay, so we have to calculate how many number of different rows he can make. For that we have to calculate factors of 18. So for that we have to calculate the factors of 18. तो हमें 18 के factors बताने होंगे. So what are they? देखिए 18. So 18 किसके टेबल में आता है? किन 2 नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके you will get 18. So you can use any one. So I am using the multiplication method. 1 into 18 is equal to 18. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Okay, next 1 is okay, 2 is a 3, 4, 5, no, 6, 6 3s are 18, 7, no, 18, 8, 9. Okay, now इसके अलावा किसी और नंबर को प्लस करके 18 आता है? नो. सो दैट मीन्स इसमें से फैक्टर्स कौन कौन से हुए, फैक्टर्स कौन कौन से हुए, द फैक्टर्स आर, so that is 1 and 18, this is 1 and 18. From here the factors are 2 and 9. From here the factors are 2 and 9, and from here the factors are 3 and 6. From here the factors are 3 and 6, because 6 into 3, अगर हम 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 करते दैट इज ऑल्सो 18, 9 इंटू 2 करते दैट इज ऑल्सो 18, बट देखिए 2 9 और 9 2, 6 3 और 3 6 सेम, सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव नॉट टेकन इट, इसीलिए हमने इसको नहीं लिया. सिमिलर नंबर्स को लेने कोई मतलब नहीं है. ओके, सो दीज ऑल आर द फैक्टर्स. फैक्टर्स लिखिए, फैक्टर्स of 18 are, let's arrange them in ascending order, that is 1 2 3 6 9 18. Okay, so these are the factors of 18. So that means he can make 1 row, 2 rows, 3 3 की rows, 6 6 की rows, 9 9 की rows और 18 की row बना सकता है. So this is the different number of rows he can make to arrange the equal number of stems in each row. तो वो 1 1 की रो बना सकता है, 2 की बना सकता है. He can make a 1 row जिसमें सारे सारे वो 18 रख दे. He can make 2 rows in which he can put 9. Okay, so he make 3 rows having 6 stumps in each row. He can make 6 rows having 3 in each row. ओके, तो वैसे ही कैन मेक डिफरेंट दीज 3 रो, इस तरह की वो अलग अलग रोज बना सकता है इन विच ही कैन कीप इक्वल नंबर ऑफ रोज, सॉरी इक्वल नंबर ऑफ स्टेम्स. सो क्वेश्चन में क्या था, हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट रोज हैविंग सेम नंबर ऑफ स्टेम्स कैन ही डू दैट. सो ही कैन मेक different, therefore he can make different rows of 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. So that he can, therefore he can make different rows of 1 2 3 6 9 and 18 numbers. Okay, so this is how we can calculate the different rows he can make so that he can arrange all the stamps equally in each row. So the total stamps is 18. Next is number of different rows that we need to calculate. So factors of 18 निकालेंगे तो देखिए वो चाहे तो 1 की रो बनाए, 2 की बनाए, 3 की बनाए, 6 की बनाए, 9 की बनाए, 18 की बनाए. So he will make these number, मतलब चाहे वो एक एक हर एक में रखे, दो दो रखे. So this is the number of rows or number of stems that he can keep in each row so that he can have equal number of stems in each row. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 12. So you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 13. Now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 13. The next is question number 13. Okay, so the 13 is, a gardener wants to arrange 30 flower pots in rows, each having same number of flower pots. Find the different number of rows he can make. Just like the similar previous one. तो पिछले वाले की बिल्कुल ऐसे जैसे तेरा देखिए बेटा. So that the gardener wants to, so he is having 30 pots. तो उसके बाद 30 pots हैं, and he wants to arrange those 30 pots in such a way so that each row have similar number of pots. So just like the previous sum. तो ठीक है, उसमें 30 pots हैं, 30 pots को उसको अलग अलग रोज में वो रख सकता है, कितनी तरह के अलग अलग रोज में वो रख सकता है, so that each row is having the same number of pots. So again for that what we will do, we will calculate or we will find the factors of 30, and this is how we can calculate the number of rows he can make to arrange those pots equally in each row. Okay, so let's begin with the question number 13. So in this the total number of flower pots is given. तो लिखिए total flower pots, total flower pots is equal to, total flower pots is equal to 30, total flower pots is equal to 30. Okay, number of rows, number of rows can be made, कितनी तरह की अलग नंबर ऑफ रोज हो सकती हैं. So that what we have to do is we have to find the factors of 30. So let's find out factors of 30. Okay, so now I'm going to use the division method. Okay, अब मेरे ऊपर है, मैं डिवीजन यूज़ कर रही हूँ, आप चाहो तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन यूज़ कर सकते हो. सो दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली सेम, बट मेक श्योर जो फैक्टर्स है वो सेम आने चाहिए. ओके, सो आई एम नाउ गोइंग टू यूज़ द डिवीजन मैथड. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ 30 आई कैलकुलेट बाय यूजिंग द डिवीजन. Okay, so we have to divide 30 with such numbers in which there is no remainder. So 30 divided by 1. As you all know, 1 is the factor of every number. 30 divided by 1, that will be 30. चाहो तो कर लीजिए. 30 को 1 से डिवाइड करिए. 1 3s are 3, 0, 1 zeros are 0. This is 30, there is nothing. This is 30. Okay, 30 divided by 1 is equal to 30. Next, 30 divided by 2. 30 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, minus 3 minus 2 1, bring down 0. 2 5s are 10. So we got 15. Yes, there is no remainder. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. Next, the third one is 30 divided by 3. 30 divided by 3. So let's divide 30 with 3. Let's divide 30 with 3. So 3 ones are 3. Okay, nothing. Bring down the next number, that is 0. 3 zeros are 0. That is 10. So we got 10. Okay, so that means 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. Let's divide 30 with 4. देखो 30, can you divide 30 with 4? No, because 4 के टेबल में कहीं भी 30 नहीं आता. 5 के टेबल में 30 आता है. Yes, 5 6 are 30. So you can check 30 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. This is 6, no remainder. So 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Next, after this, the next is 30 divided by 6. तो देखो 30 को अगर हम 6 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 5 6 5s are 30. Again 5 is here. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. So 5 6, yeah, 6 5. Both are same. So that's why we don't take the same numbers. Okay, so हम इसको नेम नहीं देंगे. Okay, next 30 divided by 30 can be divided by 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10, yes. 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. 30 tens are 30 na, so 3 tens are 30, या 10 threes are 30. ओके, देखिए यहाँ पे भी 10 और 3 दोनों आ गए. Here we are already having 10 and 3, so that means we also don't need that. ये भी हमारे same. So that means basically these all are the factors of 30. So let's find out the factors. देखिए इसमें हमारे factors कौन से होते हैं? This one and this one. In the division, the factors are the divisor and the quotient. तो लिखिए factors of 30 are arranging them. देखो इसको U shape में लेकर चलेगा. Just move in this U shape. 1, then 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So the factors of 30 are 1, 2, देखिए 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So these all are the factors of 30 which we have calculated by using the division method. Now moving to the question. Question में क्या लिखा था? Find the different number of rows he can make. Therefore he can make the, okay, now solution. Therefore, this is the solution sentence. Therefore he can make different rows of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, this is 10, 15 and 30. 15 and 30. So this is the different number of rows he can make. So he can make 1 row, he can make 2 rows, he can make 3, he can make 5 rows, he can make 6 rows, he can make 10 rows, he can make 15 or 30 rows. So these are the different number of rows that he can make with those 30 flower pots. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 13. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, so just this is the factor of 30 that we had calculated and the number of rows he can make with 30 flower pots. Okay, moving next to the question number 14. Okay, so for this you can pause the video and note it down. Chalo, let's move to the next question, that is question number 14. The question is question number 14. Swati has 42 beads. How many different number of necklaces she can make using all the beads such that each necklace has the same number of beads? Okay, तो कहते हैं कि स्वाति के पास 42 बीड्स हैं. बीड्स मीन्स मोती कह लीजिए, मनका कह लीजिए, कुछ भी कह सकते हो. सो दिस इज बेसिकली यूज फॉर मेकिंग द नेकलेसेस. ओके, नेकलेस, एंकलेट्स, बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी बनाने के लिए स्पेशली बीड्स यूज होते हैं. ओके, सो देखिए जो स्वाति इज हैविंग 42 बीड्स हैं स्वाति के पास, एंड शी वॉन्ट्स टू मेक द नेकलेस फ्रॉम इट. उसको उसमें से नेकलेस बनाने. सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज जस्ट सेम लाइक द प्रीवियस टू. ओके, सो हाउ मेनी necklace she can make with the similar number of beads? How many different necklaces she can make by using the different number of beads? तो आपको बताने वो अलग अलग तरह के कितनी नेकलेस बना सकती है इन बीड्स को यूज करके. So okay, so that she can have different necklaces of different, but in each necklace the number of beads should be same. Again, for that what will we do? We will find the factors of 42, that because the number of beads are 42, for this we have to find the factors of 42. So let's do question number 14. So first of all, the information that is given in the book, that is total beads. Total beads is equal to 42. Okay. Number of necklaces Swati can make. Swati can make. Okay, वो हमें निकालना है. For this, we have to calculate the factors of. We have to find the factors of 42. So we have to find the factors of 42. Let's find out. So you can use any method. Again I am using the multiplication now. The पहले multiplication फिर division. Now again I am using the multiplication. So let's find out. Okay. So 1 into 42 is equal to 42. 2 into 21 is equal to 42. Next, 3 into 14, that is 42. या 14 into 3. Okay, so आप कोई भी लिख सकते हैं. वैसे कोई this is no such an hard and fast rule for this, so you can use anything. Okay. Next, 5 can be 5 के टेबल में 42 नहीं आएगा. Then moving to the 6. Yes, 6 sevens are 42. 7 6 are 42. Again 7 6 6 7. So that means this is a no use of this. So you have to simplify 6 sevens are 42. Okay. Any other? कोई और बचा बेटा? सोचिए. No. So there is no such any other factor. So that means the factors from this. Okay. So from this you can calculate the factors. Okay. तो देखिए हमने हमारे पास टोटल बीड्स दिए थे. That is 42. Now number of necklaces Swati can make. For that we have to calculate the factors and we are calculating it. So the factors are from here. The factors are, okay, so that is 1 and 42. This is 1 and 42. Next one, second में से factors कौन से होगा? The factors are, that is 2 and 21. This is 2 and 21. Third, from here the factors are 3 and 14. 3 and 14. Next, from here the factors are 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So these are the different factors that we have calculated. Now just arrange them in ascending order. So we have to write factors of 42. So let's write down the factors of 42. That is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. So I have arranged them all in ascending order. So these are the factors of 42. Now the question was how many necklaces she can make. Okay, so this was the question. Sorry, I have changed. Okay, so question was how many different number of necklace she can make. Therefore, Swati can make different necklaces of 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. Therefore, Swati can make different necklaces of 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. Okay. So, this is the solution of question number 14. So, you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. And this was from today's session as well, class. With this, I am just ending the session here only. So, I'll see you again very soon in the next session. So, till then, everybody, have a great day.